Hey everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. Today I have for you an organization video. I'll be organizing my teen daughter's vanity in her bedroom. This video is going to be part of a huge playlist of other organization videos and is hosted by the DIY Mommy. I will have a link to her channel and the playlist in my description box below. Let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm coming to you from my daughter's bedroom. I thought it might be fun to film an organization video of her vanity. My kids are teenagers, so they're in charge of their own rooms, but I thought this might be a cool idea for an organizational video, and plus I had bought her some new organization tools for her makeup from Ulta for Christmas, and I wanted to use those and kind of, organize all of her makeup. She's into all of it. She's got all the palettes and the latest whatever, and I don't know. So that is what I'm going to organize right now, and I am going to start by clearing off everything on her vanity and cleaning her vanity. So let's get started. This is all the junk that she's got on her vanity. She's always in a big hurry going somewhere. So I'm going to pull all of this off, and then I'm going to clean the vanity, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is all of the stuff that I pulled off of her vanity. This is probably going to make her die of embarrassment, but it's super dirty, you guys. Oh, she's going to kill me. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the top of the vanity and clean the mirrors. There I am. Hello. With some paper towel and Windex probably. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up really quick, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cleaned the top of the vanity and wiped the whole thing down really good, and I cleaned the mirrors and everything. You can see me in the background. I didn't really think about the mirrors, you know, how the mirrors are always on vanities before I filmed, and it's kind of been a, kind of made it a little bit harder to film here. For me anyways, because I'm not a filming professional. But anyway, so it's all cleaned up, and I'm going to go ahead. I think I'll start with palettes. I'm going to grab all the palettes and the container for the palettes and start with that. So I will be right back. So this is what she's got to organize her palettes with. It's pretty heavy duty. It's very good quality. I did not pick this one up for her for Christmas. She actually had this one from her birthday or Easter or something. I can't remember which, but I picked this up at Meijer's, I believe. I think I'll do like the bigger in the back. Boy, does the girl have some palettes, huh? So it doesn't hold all of her palettes, but it held quite a few. Alright, so I went ahead and got as many palettes into the palette organizer that I could, and then what she had left I put here, and then I'm going to go ahead, I think I'll do her brushes next, so let me grab all of that stuff. For her brushes, I went ahead and got her this ceramic cup from 5 and Below, and it says, when in doubt, wing it out, and it's kind of a joke between her and I because she was talking about wings one day, and I was like, what are you talking about? And so she laughed at me because I didn't know she meant makeup or whatever. So when I saw this, I had to get it. And I'm going to go ahead and put all of her brushes, which she has here, in here. Okay, so I went ahead and got all of her brushes in here. I think that looks cute. And I'm just going to set it here. And I might move stuff around once I get it all organized, but I just, for now, set it right there. And she's got all of her brushes in one place. Whether or not they stay like that will be a whole different story. But for now, they are all there. So I went ahead and picked up for her for Christmas. This is super heavy duty makeup organizer. And I got this at Ulta. So I think I'll set it on, well, let me get its stuff in it first. Now I've grabbed her lip glosses and I'm going to go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to stick those in, here. For now, I've got her lip glosses in here, and I am going to go start grabbing whatever. I don't know. I'll probably grab the other container and then just start grabbing stuff and try to figure it out as I go what it is and kind of keep like items together. So that's my plan. Oh my goodness, I'm like dropping stuff. Okay, so I went ahead and put this other container that I got from Ulta right here so I could just start loading stuff up. So I still have all that to fill in. And this, and it's taking me quite a few trips. I just grabbed some of the stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in places, and I'll show you the progress, and then I'll go get more, and I'll keep doing that. How's that sound? I'm kind of reading labels as I go because I'm not sure what everything is, and I've decided to, for the most part, we'll see if I have areas left, but anything to do with lips I'm going to put in this container, and then everything else I'm going to try to make work here. She's gonna get sprays and stuff that says dewy set, facial toner. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going for right now. I like for things that are like to be by each other. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let me go grab some more of her stuff and get that put away as well. So I'm loaded back up and I'm gonna find homes for all of these things now. So I'm still sticking with things that have to do with skin or face right here. I went ahead, I wasn't thinking about mascara, but I think I'm going to have plenty of room in one of these. So I started mascara here. I've got all the lip liners together, the lipsticks together, and then back here the lip glosses together. So far that plan's working. I'm going to go grab some more, and then I need something to clean this with. I think this is for one of her perfumes. So let me do that and I will be right back. So I've got my next batch of junk and I'm going to go ahead and find homes for them as well. So I went ahead and grabbed the rest of it and it basically worked out. This is all kind of like sprays and spritzes and sprinkles. I know that because I opened one of them and I'm glittered now. My pants are glittered. My hands are glittered. I'm a glittered mess. Anyways, so I've got all of her palettes right here on the very left side. I figured that gave her a bunch of workspace. And then all of her brushes I was able to get into this cute little container. I just put one of her perfumes here because it didn't fit anywhere else. It comes with its own little holder. And then the middle container that I used is all of her face stuff, like toners and all that kind of stuff. Highlighters, sprays, spritz, setters. She's got glitter. I don't know. All that stuff is right here. Okay, guys, so in these two compartments, I've got all of her lip glosses. And then here I went ahead and put any eyeliners that I could find. Over here I've got her, what do I have? Over here I've got her lip liners. In the front I have her lipsticks. On the side I've got her mascaras. And then in the back there I've got some of her little miscellaneous tools. Like, look at all this stuff. Okay guys, so I'm super, super happy with the way everything turned out. I think it looks really nice, and I think she's going to be really excited when she gets home and sees everything. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, Midlife and Nailing It. I'd love to have you on board and you can be part of my YouTube journey here. It's been pretty exciting and fun so far. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon.